Everybody in crypto wants to make money, right? What if I tell you that there is a platform that can give you free crypto by just completing super simple tasks? There are currently 3 tasks ongoing, and as you can see, deposit UX link to earn. Just deposit and earn $45 for this task only. The next one, trade on Sol to earn, is 0.5 Sol as a reward. That is around $70 for just completing this super simple task. Trade like $500, open it up, close it, and earn $70. UX Link is cheaper. You need to do way less than $500, but it's like super simple. Guys, I'm talking about Bybit, the 4th largest exchange in the world. So it is a big platform and you can earn free crypto by completing tasks. If you want to know more, you need to watch this video, guys. But before I tell you more, we reached 6,000 subscribers on the Crypto June channel. I'm super happy, super grateful. So thank you everyone who is supporting the channel by a subscribe and a like. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's get back to the main point of this video. Make free money with completing tasks. I'm talking about Bybit, guys, token splash. And as we can read, there were already $20 million in prize pool, and the average gain of each task is around $17, maybe 17.6. So $18. And right now, at this moment, in total, there are 4 tasks open. And you know what I mean, right? 4 tasks is around $64. I don't know about you, but in my country, from the Netherlands, it's $64. It's like a half day work, like a full day of work, and you can enjoy a nice meal with your girlfriend, with somebody else outside for $64. So why don't just try it? Like, I will explain you step by step how you can participate, guys. So the first task, as we can read, deposit UX link to earn. So what do we need to do for this? What do we need to do as a task to get the free money? To get the free money in our back. So I will tell you. Okay, so join now. We click on join now. And it can be that you see this message. Unfortunately, is not able to join this event because I'm not a new user. So if you're new to Bybit and you don't have an account yet, this is one of the events you can join as a new member. But if you're already there, it's not possible. But of course, there are also events for people that are already using Bybit. So also for you, there is still task ongoing. So for the new people that are watching this video, inside the description below, there is a link to this event page. With this link, you can register yourself for Bybit and join this kind of campaigns. I will appreciate if you use the link inside the description. It's an affiliate link, but you will not lose anything for it by using it. So it is only a win-win situation. Supporting me, I will support you guys. So the first task is deposit at least 1,000 UX link. And as we can see, UX Link is currently trading for 15 cents. So this means that it costs around $150 to just deposit UX Link to Bybit. $150. I think everybody here that watching the video has $150. The second task is deposit 100 USDT and trade 100 USDT of UX Link. You just have to open up your trade. After that, you can close it. So it will cost you maybe $1 or something, or I'm not sure how much it exactly is. And what can we earn? We can earn 300 UX Link. And if you do the math, guys, do the math. 300 times 15 cents is $45. $45 you can earn in just 5 or 10 minutes by just completing the task. And what do you need? 1,000 UX Link, $150. But you only need to buy it and sell. So you deposit 1,000 UX Link, deposit $100 and trade $100. Maybe the costs are $2-3, maybe maximum. And you can earn $45. Super simple. The second task that is currently ongoing is about Sol. So trade Sol and earn. Like, everybody loves Sol, right? So if you're watching right now, what do you need to do? Complete the task. Trade at least $500 worth of Sol on spot. Super easy. Buy and sell. And what can you earn is earn up to 0.5 Sol. Currently, Sol is trading for $140 around. So it is $70 just for free. The third task where you can also earn money, new users only. So this one is also for new users. Let's check it out. Deposit 1 Sol, deposit $100 and deposit 100 USDT of Sol and earn 0.004 Sol. 0.04 is still nice. It's like around $10. So easy peasy, right? Now we can see deposit and trade, docs and earn. Yes guys, so what we see here is login, register, trade at least $500 worth of docs on spot, and you can earn 30 million docs. So just complete the task, guys. It's super simple. And also for the new people, the new users, there's an extra task as below. New users only deposit and earn from the docs prize pool. So like I said, the first one is super interesting. Deposit UX link and get around $45. Sol the same. Trade Sol and get 0.5 Sol, super easy. So I need to share this with you guys, and I think like it will be nice. There are a lot of events ongoing. Imagine every week there's a new event, and every time when you earn $20-30, it's like just going for a dinner for free by completing this kind of tasks. So check it out, guys. Use the link inside the description if you want to use and sign up for Bybit. I will appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.